and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a product Indian reviewers are going crazy about, that is the Pack Moisture Lotion. Now, you know, all of these videos I see, especially the Indian YouTubers who are into makeup, whatnot, I have always seen them using this product. It's the Pack Makeup Moisture Lotion. It looks like that. Now, when I tried to look into for the review on YouTube, I could not find a specific review on this product. There were reviews when they're doing their makeup, they just tell about this product, but I couldn't really find a 100% pure review on this product. Hence I thought I will do it. So I bought this product 2 days back, and this is the second time I'm using this product. I makeup on at 10 a.m. today and it is 6 p.m. now. I've been wearing my makeup for 8 hours straight and I did not really powder, or I did not really touch up. I went out, I went to my office, I came back home. I did not do anything of that sort. So I think I can review this pretty well now. So it comes in a pump like this. It is a see-through, it's not a transparent bottle, it's a plastic bottle, but you can still see how much cream is left. It comes with a pump, which is the best feature of this cream. So this is the cream. It has a lock function as well on the top of this, and this is the cream. It's very light. It like absorbs into your skin like super soon and very quick, and it leaves your skin really glowing for some reason. It does not feel heavy on the skin. As you can see, this is how it looks. It does not feel heavy on the skin. I love this cream for two reasons. One, of the pump, because it's really good to use and it's travel friendly, and the second thing is it makes your skin looks very dewy. Now, it doesn't mean that you look oily or greasy in this. You look dewy. Your foundation looks really dewy. The best part I like about this cream is I have dry patches. You know, I get dry patches every now and then towards my lip area, this mouth area, and with this the dry patches were gone. They were like moisturized, so your skin is moisturized for like good 8-9 hours. Now I would say that if you are into oily combination skin tone, if you're oily, I think you should totally avoid this. There is another cream they have. There is a moisturizer which is water based. I think that will be a better option for you girls, and it was for 650 rupees. Now this was for 750 rupees, and I think this is better for dry to combination skin. The reason that is because the cream is little on a heavier side, but not that heavy that you cannot wear it under makeup or in the day. It's not very light, but I tried out the water based moisturizer as well, and that was really light on skin. So I think that will be apt for the oily skin girls. Now, as I said, I already love this cream. It's priced at 750 rupees, and for 750 it's a huge amount. You need just one pump of it. I would say don't take the entire one pump, take a little less than that, otherwise you turn a little greasy. Now this cream, the first time I wore it, that was yesterday, I was a little oily in like 5 hours. So this area, my nose, my T-zone basically, was little oily. It's not that the shiny grease ball kind of a thing, but it was a little oily. Today I wore it for 8 hours and I had powdered my T-zone. So it completely looks fine. I'm not oily, but this is kind of okay, and I love how the skin looks. The foundation melts in the skin like crazy, and you know, even your blush and your highlighter, everything looks so nice. It all looks blended well and into the skin, and the dewy effect. I really enjoy this cream, and I think the YouTubers were right. This is a cream, this is a lotion which you should definitely try, and I think it's worth the hype. So that was all about the review. You can find it on Amazon, Flipkart. I'll try to link it down below. But when I was trying to buy it day before yesterday, it was not in stock on Amazon. So I kind of went to the store and got it for myself and 10% discount. So I got it around 675 rupees. It was a big yay because I really enjoy this cream and I love how this cream looks. So there is no powdery, cakey feeling kind of a foundation look, or you know, foundation that gets stuck in the lines and looks so weird. So it's, none of that is there, and I think I am absolutely in love with this cream. So I would really recommend you this cream, lotion, and I really want you to try this. I think it will be a very good addition to your makeup vanity. So that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.